How to switch account on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to switch account on your Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger. Now click on your profile up there. Scroll down and click on switch account. Now you can add your account, your another account, and click on the other account and you can switch to other account. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.